I'm back again this week with another great app to help you out with your social media content creation. Now, this is going to only be for my Apple users. If you are a Google user, then you are going to need to revert back to my video from last week about just the Video Studio video editor app. Because that's the type of app you'll be able to use with an Android phone. So for my iPhone people or my Mac people, this is going to be for you. It is called iMovie. Now, iMovie is completely free. In fact, if you have a Mac computer, typically it comes pre-installed on there already for you. Now, I love iMovie. This is the app that we actually use to edit all of these Techy Tuesday videos. So definitely a great one to start with. It is extremely user-friendly. And again, you can do it both on the desktop version as well as on the app version for free. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little bit about what iMovie has in there. So it's going to open up here to your project. So you can see I've worked on a couple different things inside of here. And then we have the option, if we click the three dots, to import projects. So if you do have a fully finished project somewhere else that you needed to work on, you could do it this way, or you could go ahead and do start new project. Now there's a couple cool different ways you can go about this. You can do Magic Movie. Now this is going to actually create something for you. What you'll do is you choose a set of pictures or a set of video, put them together, choose your music, and it's going to sync those videos and pictures up to the music for you. Okay, so like I was saying, what the Magic Movie does is it'll create a little slideshow for you. So what I did here is just chose some photos of some things we've done around the office recently. And then if I click this little, it looks like a picture frame with a little star on it. This is going to let you do some editing. Now there are some different styles where you could put titles on it if you would like to. So here's just some of the different ones. Let's go with maybe this little sticker book one. And then you can go ahead and choose different fonts, your colors, your music. You could change what that actually says in here, whatever you need to do to make this what you want it to be. So I went ahead and chose just some random music here. And we're going to see here that iMovie created this whole little video for me. So I'm going to go ahead and play it and let you guys take a look. So you can see all those transitions, the syncing of the music, that was all done by the app itself. And then I have a nice little preview. So maybe I did a full event or an open house and wanted to create one of these little trailers for it. Now your other options under Start New Project is you could do a storyboard. Now these are going to be templated, just kind of like those Magic Movies where there's templates that you can fill the pictures into. But for now, I'm going to stick with just making a movie from scratch because this is likely what you guys are going to be doing. So you can see I put my media in here. Now this media I chose is actually a video of me doing the Techy Tuesday video from a couple weeks ago. So go check that one out for more content creation ideas. But for now, say I just want to edit this because I don't want this screen recording all of that here in the beginning of my clips. So if I was going to be filming this as if it was a Techy Tuesday video, I'm going to go ahead and I want to make those edits. So I'm going to slide right here. I'm just clicking on my screen and dragging it over to get to the portion of the video I want to edit from. Now mine's right here, right where that little recording screen goes away. So now I'm going to click on the media itself, and you'll see it gets that yellow box around it and some different options there at the bottom. So I do have options to apply filters if I wanted to. In this case, I don't. I could also add text if I was doing an intro to my video here instead. I could add that text, put it wherever I need to, and there are some with some cool different effects in there as well. You can add music. This is going to let me adjust the volume of the music. We're also able to go ahead here and slow down, speed up, freeze frame. This is something you might not mess with as much, so play around with it a little bit, but it's just letting you change the speed of that video around a little bit. And now for the main one, the little scissors, this is going to be what you're mostly going to be working with. So say I want to cut out that beginning clip, I'm going to go ahead and hit split right here. So you see it put a little box there. That's going to show me that there's a distinct split between this first clip and this second clip. So now I can edit them completely separate from each other. So since I want to get rid of this first clip, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Again, it outlines it with that yellow box, and I can go ahead here and hit the delete button. So now that's gone, and I don't have to worry about it anymore. Now I can put splits anywhere here within the sections that I want to. If I then need to take out this little portion here, I could again click on the clip, hit split. Now maybe I need to take out another just little section here because I messed up my wording. So I'm gonna move it, again just dragging it over, clicking on the piece of clip, hitting split, and now I have this nice clip here separated in the middle. So if all I wanted to delete was that little section, click on it, hit that delete button. And now I have these individual clips, and if I wanted the text on just maybe the first clip, I could click on that and add text strictly to this first clip. It's only going to be a part of this first clip. And then you can do a couple little editing options there for the text as well. Drag it. Now I will say iMovie will be a lot easier to use and have a lot more functions if you are using the desktop version of it, but this app will do what you need to do if you need to just make some quick edits to a video that you shot while you were on the go. So if this is something that you're interested in, I just showed you the very, very basics of how the app would work if you're just needing to make some simple edits to a video. So if you are wanting to play around with this a little more or go more in depth with iMovie, more than happy to meet with you. Just visit letsgettechy.com, schedule an appointment with us, and we can see what kind of videos we can help you create.